Okay, so the last thing we want to do here is just create something like a win condition. All right, so at the moment you can collect the 3 boxes or the coins, and nothing still happens until the timer runs out and we still lose. Okay, so we want to be able to win. Okay, so what we need to do is go back to our blueprints first of all, and we need to create a screen that's going to be our win screen. All right, so when you achieve the goal, it will display a screen similar to like the menu that we made. So it'll show a screen that's like a win condition screen. I'm just going to do a real basic one, but again, you can spend some time in making one that's a lot better. So here we just want to make a new user interface widget blueprint, and this is going to be called win screen widget. Okay, so open that up. So got a blank slate here. What you can do is go ahead in Photoshop or something, make a really cool like win screen that's actually, in the theme of your game and everything. Spend some proper time doing that. All I'm going to do is placeholder it with a text block that just says win in capital letters. All right. So probably go to font and make that font a bit bigger. Like that. Okay, put it in the middle. Anchor to the middle. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I'll change the color as well. Make it yellow. That'll do. Okay, so my win screen is pretty boring, but again, hopefully you'll make one that's a bit more interesting. So compile, save that. What we want to do is again go back to our third person character. Okay. It's want me back straight first of all. See the add coin function that I was doing. So I don't want that. I want to close that. I just want the event graph for the character. Okay, which has all this stuff built in. So what I want to do is find a bit of space over here. Do the blueprints. I'll go through it fairly quickly to make this screen work. So I want to go event tick. Okay, so remember that's every sort of frame it's checking to see stuff's happening. I want a condition. Sorry, condition is branch. This we want integer equal to that needs to be our total coins, which is here. So we're going to use our total coins value, and this is where you're going to tell it how many coins you want it to get to win. So if you've got like 20, 30, whatever coins, or 10, and that's how many is the total, and then once you get that many, the player wins. That's the value that you put here. I only got 3 in mine, so just put 3 there for now. You can always come back and change it. And then so when that condition that you've got 3 is true, it's going to create a widget. Okay, and the widget we want it to create is the one we just made, which is the win screen one, win screen widget. Okay. Set game to paused. Okay, so it'll actually pause the game, so nothing's still playing in the background. And add to viewport. It's going to be one of those again, is it? So let's come from here. I have to go from the right place. Let's from here. There we go. Add to viewport. Okay, so remember I had that problem already in the last video where we weren't going from the right node to get the function, the thing that we wanted. Okay, that's fine. So we've got it. Add to viewport. Let's just hook these up. That needs to go into there. Okay, so that's it really, fairly straightforward. So it's checking all the time whether we've got the right number of coins. So we've got a condition. So if you are equal to this amount of coins, we've got 3, that's what it's getting for, this amount of coins, then it will create this widget, show it to the screen, and pause the game. So compile, save that, close that down, and hopefully now that should be it working. So let's push play. Pretty easy game so far. I've got 20 seconds to collect these 3 boxes, but whatever. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 1. It has displayed the screen. It hasn't paused the game though. So let's just check up on why that's happening. Go back to third person character. Oh, right, just didn't tick the paused box. So tick that, compile, save. Just try that again quickly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it freezes the game and I can see the win screen. Obviously yours, when you've got your win screen there, it will be a full screen like the menu, so you won't see the sort of blurry game still being played in the background. They're paused. You'll see just your full custom-made win screen. Okay, so obviously this game is incredibly simple, but it's your kind of job now to create an environment full of whatever you want to fill it with these points in, difficult places for the player to go and reach and to have to explore to go and find them, set them amount of time, there's going to be a challenge for them, etc., etc. Okay, so just before I leave though, I'm annoying me this checkered pattern, so I'm just going to put oh, that's too white, that'll do, so material on that. Okay, so let's go and save everything. Let's make sure everything is working as we want it so far. So I'm just going to go back to my opening level. So push play. It's a bit, it doesn't really match at the moment. I've got this thing that says it's a fantasy game, kind of mechanical looking buttons, and it's definitely not a fantasy game. But all I'm showing you is the mechanics of how to get everything working. Your job is to design it and make it all good. All right, so that's all for now. Until the next thing.